these parts that are kind of orangey. So these are before and these are after. These are before and these are after. You can see Photoshop did an amazing job, and from here you can choose to color grade the image whichever way you want it with your adjustment layers. Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn any black and white image like this into color like this in just one click. So let's get started. So this was the original image, and this was after we turned it to colored, and also this was the original image, and this was after we turned it to color. So let me just quickly delete this and show you how to do it. So the first thing you have to do, make sure you have the latest version of Photoshop. Once your background layer is selected, just come to your filter and click on neural filters. So after a neural filter is loaded, just click on colorize and turn on colorize like this, and Photoshop will automatically turn the black and white picture to colored. And also you can see Photoshop did not do a nice job, but you can see this picture has turned to colored from the black and white. So this was how it was originally. So once I click on the colorize, Photoshop will automatically turn this image to colored. But you can see this part of the image right here are still blue, but we are going to turn them to colored. So next thing you're going to do, just come down, scroll the way down and click on attribute new color layer. So just click on this attribute as new color layer. So click on it and make sure new layer is selected and click on OK. So it's going to save as a color layer. So next I'm going to do, just sample from a close by area by clicking on alternate on your keyboard, sample from a close by area and just paint on these parts that are still bluish like that, and paint on this, sample from this place and paint on these parts that are kind of orangey. So these are before and these are after. These are before and these are after. You can see Photoshop did an amazing job, and from here you can choose to color grade the image whichever way you want it with your adjustment layers. And also for this other image I'll be doing the same thing. I'll come to my filter, I'll come to my neural filter, and I'm just going to click on colorize. You can see Photoshop has colorized this image for me. The image is looking colored and it's looking so realistic. So I'm just going to click on scroll the way down again and click on attribute as a new color layer, and make sure your attribute is on a new layer, not the background layer. I'm just going to click on OK right now, and this is the before and this is the after. So you can see I'm still seeing some kind of oranges on the shirt. So I'm just going to fix that by clicking on my brush tool and sample from a close by area and just paint on those spaces that are looking orange like that. If I brush on the skin is going to be black and white, so just sample from a close by area and just paint on the skin like that to make it look orange like that. And you can choose to adjust the color whichever way you want in Photoshop. So these are before and these are after. So that's how you turn any black and white photos to colored in Photoshop with just one click. And I'll be doing an in-depth tutorial about this. Hope you learned something for this video. If you do, make sure to like this video so that more people can see this video and learn from this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.